Hello everybody, welcome once more to ETW International Business Opportunities Program. We want to present you all the Chinese companies that can offer a lot of advantages for you and your business. Today we have the pleasure and the honor to have with us Mr. Zhuo, the general manager of Yueming, a company I had the pleasure to visit not so long time ago. They are a manufacturer of laser equipment that are exporting their products to all countries in the world almost, covering a lot of markets and presenting, like as many other Chinese companies, a lot of advantages against companies like in Europe or Latin America or even the United States. So, Mr. Zhuo, 谢谢你来到这里.
Good morning.
It's a pleasure to have you here. So I would like to introduce like the context of this interview. There is a very interesting point. Like now, we listened in the news and everywhere the so-called Industry 4.0. This means that the industrialization now goes towards a high technology direction where the information is digitalized, the equipments become more intelligent, they collect all data to make the manufacturing more intelligent and efficient in the end. China has aimed a very ambitious goal by 2025, which is the Made in China 2025 program and plan. And I believe China has a very big potential to achieve this goal with manufacturers like you. So, in order to meet your dream of Industry 4.0, what is your Yueming to do? Like I heard you have a very complex and important research organization.
In Yueming, our largest department is the technology department. We have established research institutes in Guangzhou and Shanghai and a technology center in Dongguan. These facilities have provided a powerful advantage, allowing our company to maintain market-leading status in researching laser equipment control systems and developing industrial software. Concurrently, our advanced in-house developed control system has enabled us to automate our laser equipment. For example, our auto feeding system for footwear enterprises, the auto cutting system, and the auto laser marking system. These systems have made outstanding contributions to the development of the Chinese and even global laser industry.
And in order to achieve intelligent manufacturing, the most important thing for your machines and your equipment is the light control system. But you have your own segment of professional equipment manufacturing, right?
To advance the process of replacing traditional manufacturing methods with laser techniques, we have established the Precision Equipment Company and the Yueming Intelligent Equipment Company. Our ultimate pursuit in the development of precision equipment is to promote both the Chinese and global high-end manufacturing industry. As far as the intelligent equipment, our focus is heavily placed upon automation of industrial equipment and reduction in labor costs.
And in the context of Industry 4.0, how are you going to handle the information management, the collection of data?
Recently, with the dream of achieving Industry 4.0, we have accelerated the pace for constructing enterprise information systems. For example, we have introduced the SAP ERP system from America and the CRM software from Salesforce. The adoption of these world-leading information systems will provide convenience for us to collect, analyze, and utilize various data, and in turn, create value for clients.
Okay, really interesting to know this. Now I want to delve into your company's advantages. You were established in 2001, and this means that you have a very, very long experience. How can you tell me, like, during all your history, what experience have you collected, and why is it useful?
The reason Hans Yueming is able to execute with great precision in laser equipment lies in our integration strategy, where we acquire equity interest in quality manufacturers and gain greater control over our supply chain. This enhanced degree of control over major vendors provides a better quality product.
Mm-hmm. Well, the second point to highlight, I would like to ask you about manufacturing standards. This is something that worries a lot to European and American businessmen, because it's very important to all the components, all the designs, like the equipment, everything complies to the international standards.
For the purpose of providing a strong assurance of product quality and reliability, we have set the following production requirements: strict production regulations, rigorous inspection standards for raw materials to production lines, to aging tests and product shipping. All must comply with current international standards. That's why Hans Yueming has gained a stellar reputation in the industry.
Mm-hmm. Well, for those who doesn't know, you are a listed company, a subsidiary of China. So this means you have sufficient capital strength to support the development and operation in the global markets and wherever you want to. I mean, this is a really nice thing to do when you are being confident about the international market.
With 16 years development, Hans Yueming has accumulated abundant capital exceeding 400 billion RMB. We possess 3 production bases and several standard plants covering over 100,000 square meters. Since our inception, Hans Yueming has never taken on bank debt. We will utilize our own assets for financing in the future. So, the high-speed development of Hans Yueming is secured by powerful financial assets.
Well, now I would like to highlight 3 points of the advantages that we have found out so far. One would be that experience that they have. This is very important to when you are going to make some business. You want the company, like the Chinese manufacturer, to be experienced and to know how to deal with the situation. So the second one would be like the manufacturing standards. Everything complies to your country's regulation. So it means that you are worry-free about the exportation. And the third one would be like they are a listed company. This means they have all the capital strength they need to go beyond and to really make a successful business in the future. Now I would like to ask you, how are you going to develop your business in the future in the international market? How to go global in a very powerful way?
In order to develop international market sales, we have turned to leading big data marketing engineers like ETW and Google to find overseas agents through online marketing. We will cooperate with these agents to fully promote to the target market. Additionally, we take an active role in organizing overseas exhibitions to seek partners from different countries all over the globe.
Mm-hmm. This is very interesting because it's like when manufacturers that are going through like a new intelligent manufacturing, you are also like cooperating with companies like ours that are using big data to promote their business. So it's like 4.0 meets 4.0. And thank you so much for trusting us. Now I would like to tell you the industrial structure of each country is different. So maybe the needs of one country are very different from other countries' needs. So how do you do that? How do you customize your products? How you adapt to other countries' market to meet the needs of your foreign partners?
Because technology is Hans Yueming's greatest focus, we own more than 120 research and development centers, which have provided a powerful customization capability. Hans Yueming is able to customize special equipment, for large corporations and agents in different countries according to their specific requirements. So far, we have gained acceptance from world-renowned enterprises.
And how does Hans Yueming support their foreign agents? Like, how do you help them to spread your equipment all over the world?
To shorten delivery and customer service response times, Hans Yueming will establish local warehouses and accessory distribution centers in strategically located countries and regions. In addition, to better serve regular customers like world-renowned clothing brands and shoe brands, we will send technical engineers to clients to ensure the optimal operation of their equipment if necessary. To enhance work and job skills of our users and agents, Hans Yueming offers a regular professional training regarding new products and techniques. The training is conducted with the help of our international partners. Up to now, Hans Yueming has established over 200 after-sales service points, with half set overseas. This huge service network has powerfully guaranteed all users will enjoy efficient service and expedient delivery.
So now let's go for one of the main concerns for our international viewers, the quality. How do you control the quality of Hans Yueming's products?
In my opinion, good design is paramount to product quality. In the technology system of Hans Yueming, before a product is developed, we must conduct a full investigation of potential customers and overseas partners, as well as rigorous research of what users need. On the basis of these findings, a project will be initiated. We have extremely strict standards and regulations for program approval, manufacturing techniques, and the entire production process. Our inspection system involves raw material selection and detection and supervision for each production phase. These strict measures have allowed us to gain strong demand with new product offerings, and many clients endorse their purchases with strong testimonials.
In this very brilliant international strategy, has Hans Yueming Group considered the idea of establishing overseas factories?
For the establishment of factories overseas, I have personally conducted initial research in India and South America. In fact, with the adjustment of China's industrial structure, many labor-intensive industries are gradually migrating to countries and regions like ASEAN, India, South America, and the Middle East, which means that our focus of sales has to change accordingly. So we do have the intention of creating plants overseas, preferably in Brazil, Vietnam, India, and Mexico.
Mm-hmm. Well, it looks promising. Well, the last time I visited your company, I was very impressed with your company management and your company culture. So this is something I really want to emphasize now that we are having this interview, because I think it's something I want to tell our international viewers, that Chinese companies can be great, that they are really ready to go in globally, and that they have a very system, like they have a system to take care of every detail. So for me, I think like one of your main points of your business is that you don't only take care of the quality of the products, but also of the management and also of how all the company goes in all kind of sectors. So I would like you to tell me, how do you take care of the management of the company? What's behind everything I saw in my visit?
Actually, main functions of my position include to set regulations and standards for Hans Yueming, such as quality standards, working requirements of employees, and a series of work procedures. An organized, efficient series of working and management procedures is vital to administer our huge financial system. We adjust these procedures on an annual basis and modify our incentive compensation plan. Each year, in July, August, and September, we carry out a comprehensive revision of our regulations. Because when external factors change, operating procedures and company planning must adapt. Naturally, Hans Yueming has done well in this regard.
And last, I would like to, of course, like our viewers will have the chance of checking your products in detail and see how your machines work in our promotional videos. But I would like to, I would like you tell me about one product that is very like well demanded in Europe, but you also produce this kind of equipment, but has a very big competitive advantage in terms of price. So, what is this machinery about?
Yes. It is a customized laser cutting machine for airbags we created for Toyota. That's an achievement accomplished by our Shanghai Research Institute, which aims to develop the auto industry in the Yangtze River Delta. Before we made this laser cutter, very few manufacturers in Europe and Japan had the ability to produce a similar equipment set. And the manufacturing cost, as well as the price, is up to 10 billion yuan. With the hardware and the manufacturing technique being the same, our laser cutting machine costs only 4 billion yuan. Apart from that, we warranty products and their performance bears favorable comparison with similar machines from Europe and Japan. When it comes to adjustment in product structure, market structure, and human resources, I feel rather proud of Hans Yueming. We have grown from the traditional equipment industry and are undergoing an upgrade in product structure as the global economic system develops. Today, structure adjustment is a must since China's labor costs are increasing year by year, and the focus on the low-end market does not aid global competitiveness. So, in 2013, we put this on the agenda to adjust our product structure, market structure, as well as human resources.
Okay. Well, Mr. Zhuo, thank you so much for coming. 谢谢您. It's been an honor to be here with you again. And ETW 国区是你的家.
ETW 是我的好朋友。
Okay, so here finishes the interview to Hans Yueming. I hope like with this interview you really can see like very closely that you can trust Hans Yueming as your business partner, that they offer a lot of advantages and they have a lot of potential all over the world. I've been really honored to be here. I'm a European, and I know that I know these kind of companies, they have a lot of advantages and business opportunities to offer. So I want to encourage all our viewers to consider Hans Yueming as their choice for laser equipment business. Thank you again.
Thank you very much.
Okay.